Welcome to Tech Unbox Pro, your trusted destination for the latest smartphone reviews and honest tech insights. Today, we are taking a deep look at one of the most talked about smartphones of 2026, the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G, a device that promises flagship-level performance at a mid-range price point. The Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G comes with a stunning 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display featuring a 144Hz refresh rate, which means everything from scrolling social media to playing high-end games feels extremely smooth and fluid. The display also supports HDR10+, offering rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness, making it perfect for watching YouTube, Netflix, and gaming for long hours. Talking about performance, the Galaxy A77 Pro 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is one of the most powerful chipsets available in the market right now. This processor ensures ultra-fast speed, smooth multitasking, and lag-free performance even while running heavy applications or high-graphics games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact. Combined with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, this phone handles everything effortlessly. One of the biggest highlights of the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G is its 200MP AI primary camera, which delivers extremely detailed and sharp photos. Whether you are clicking photos in daylight or low-light conditions, the camera captures impressive dynamic range, accurate colors, and excellent clarity. The camera setup also includes a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 5MP macro sensor, making it a complete camera package for photography lovers. On the front, you get a 32MP selfie camera, perfect for vlogging, video calls, and social media content creation. For video recording, the Galaxy A77 Pro 5G supports 4K video at 60fps, along with advanced stabilization features. This makes it a great option for YouTubers and content creators who want professional quality video without investing in expensive cameras. Battery life is another strong point of this smartphone. The device packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, which easily lasts more than one full day even with heavy usage. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or using social media all day, you won't have to worry about charging frequently. And when you do need to charge, the 120W fast charging support allows you to charge the phone from 0 to 100% in around 30 minutes, which is extremely impressive. In terms of software, the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G runs on One UI based on Android 14, offering a clean, smooth, and highly customizable user experience. Samsung also promises long-term software updates and security patches, which adds great value for users who plan to use this phone for several years. Connectivity features include 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. The phone also comes with stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos, delivering loud and immersive sound quality for movies and gaming. Design-wise, the Galaxy A77 Pro 5G features a premium glass back with a metal frame, giving it a flagship look and feel. It is available in multiple stylish colors, making it attractive for users who care about both performance and design. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful smartphone with a top-tier display, professional-level camera, long battery life, and ultra-fast performance. It is especially perfect for gamers, content creators, and users who want a future-proof 5G smartphone in 2026. If you are planning to buy a new phone this year, the Samsung Galaxy A77 Pro 5G should definitely be on your shortlist. Thank you for watching this video on Tech Unbox Pro. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more premium smartphone reviews and daily tech content. Stay connected with Tech Unbox Pro, and I'll see you in the next one. Rock it!